So good afternoon to everyone. Today I, Tarun sir, would like to present my 4 activities back to back. Today's English news is that COVID-19 cases have now crossed the level of 2 lakh. They are above 2 lakh. My amazing fact to all of you is elephants are the only animals that can't jump. My health tip to all of you is do breathing exercises at least for 3 times in a day. And today's thought is where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you so much. Now, students, you can start presenting your activities, and then I would be teaching you how to face and conduct an interview session online. Please start. Yes, class, start.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, please start.
So, hello everyone. Very good afternoon to all of you. Today, I, Mukesh Sharma, would like to present my 4 activities back to back. And today's English news is German president calls for debate over vaccine mandate. And today's amazing fact is ISRO has started manned mission to the moon and space. And today's health tip is practice breathing exercise daily. And today's thought is if you have saw a dream, if you have seen a dream, please do that. Just don't give up. Thank you all.
Next.
Good afternoon, all of you. Today, as Neha Sharma, would like to present my 4 activities back to back. So, my first activity is English news. 14 IET students test positive and 14 quarantined in a 4 hostels. Today's my thought is never think yourself weak. Today's my health tip is 6 to 8 serving of grains. And today's my fact is your tallest first thing in the morning. Thank you.
Very good. Keep presenting your activities. Next candidate.
Good afternoon, all of you. I would like to present my 4 activities back to back. My first activity is today's news. India's passport climbs 7th position to 83. My next activity is health tip. Don't use phone while charging. Amazing fact. Elephant can't jump. My thought for the day. Learning for Shake the Learning. Thank you.
Next. Yes, next.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I would like to present my 4 activities back to back. So, English news: India's first indigenous aircraft carrier AIC Vikrant landed for a war exercise at sea. And amazing thought is everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Amazing fact: we feel thirsty when there is a lack of 1% water in our body, and we will die there is a lack of 10% water. Health tips is we should take daily exercise 30 minutes in the morning. Thank you.
Very confident, very confident. Keep it up. What's your good name?
Sir, Priyanka.
Welcome to my class. Next candidate.
Sir, Sheetal here.
Please present.
Good
Ji, ma'am.
afternoon, everyone.
Ji.
Today news, the scientists discovered 2021 as world's 5th hottest year.
Okay,
Thought
yes.
of the day, a positive mindset being positive things. Amazing fact, English is the official language of 67 countries. Health tips,
Yes.
drink
help it.
lots of water to stay hydrated.
Very well said.
Thank you.
Good, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next. Yes, next.
Good afternoon, sir. Balwinder here. I would like to present my activities back to back.
Okay.
First, my news is that Arvind Kejriwal has challenged the CM of Punjab, Channi sir, that he should present in front of him uh, the bills which have been free to the families, which he have which he have promised when he had became a chief minister of Punjab. Next is my health tip is keep your phones away from your heart or any electronic device away from your heart because the radiation releases from it is very harmful for us. Thank you.
Next. Yes, who is left? Okay, I think so. No one wants to present. Fine. So today,
Good
okay. Speak.
good afternoon to all of you. I, Mahendra Singh, would like to present my 4 activities back to back. My first activity is English news. My English news is India is on the back foot in the third test match of against South Africa. And my health tip is don't take a bath daily. My amazing fact is Madhya Pradesh is also known as a heart of India. My my thought of the day is religion is one. Thank you.
What a funny hell tip he is giving, that don't bathe daily. Wow. मतलब रोज नहाना नहीं चाहिए. खुद जो कर रहे हो वही हेल टिप दे दी. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Aishi Mishra. Thought has gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. Even have only today yet use big.
Okay, Ayushi, abhi what I'll do is that when I will speak out a sentence, then repeat it along with me. Okay. Just repeat whatever I would be saying. बोलिए today's health. हाँ, today's health tip.
Today has tips.
ना, मैंने today बोला ही नहीं, मैंने ये word बोला.
Yes, sir.
Now speak. Today's health tip.
Today has health tips.
नहीं, मैंने ये word बोला ही नहीं. फिर से बोलिए. Today's health tip.
Today has tip.
अच्छा, फिर से बोलो ये word. ये जो लिखा है.
Today has tip.
बेटा ये today लिखा हुआ है. ये ध्यान दे रहे हो क्लास में? ये
सर,
टुडे लिखा
कहाँ पे?
हुआ है.
नो सर, कहाँ पे सर?
स्क्रीन देखिए. समय नहीं बर्बाद करो. सॉरी बच्चे, आप पहले देखिए ट्रेनिंग दे कौन रहा है मेरे बच्चे. हम लोग का एक एक मिनट कीमती है. बेटा ये क्या लिखा है स्क्रीन पे मेरे बच्चे? बाकी लोग पढ़िए जरा, क्या लिखा है ये?
Today.
आपको स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है बच्चे?
यस सर.
हाँ तो बेटा ये अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस नहीं नजर आ रहा है. आज गलती करोगे तो हमेशा गलती करोगे. खैर चलिए, कोई बात नहीं.
सर टुडे बोला मैं.
हाँ तो टुडे नहीं बोलना है बच्चे, टुडेज.
टुडे इज.
ओहो, चलो कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
ओके.
कोई बात नहीं, परेशान नहीं हो. चलिए नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट बोलिए जरा. Next candidate, present your 4 activities.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Aryan, and I'm over here to present the 4 activities back to back. Sir, my today's health tip for the day is if you find yourself clearing the throat or constantly feeling like something is stuck in the throat, you will benefit from having a fresh decongestant drink made with 2.
Wow, very
And
well
my
spoken.
amazing.
Keep it up. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
And my thought of the day is yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let us begin.
Nice, very nice.
And thank you, sir. And the amazing fact of the day is photon is as fast as light. And today's news is Delhi shuts private offices amid COVID-19 surge. Essential services exempt. Thank you.
ओके सो अगर मैं कभी किसी के ऊपर थोड़ा गुस्सा हो जाऊं तो आप लोग परेशान ना होइएगा, सिखाऊंगा मैं ही। तो ये याद रखिएगा कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई वुड बी ट्रेनिंग यू। सो लेकिन जब भी कभी हम, कोई बात नहीं, जब भी हम कभी पढ़ा रहे हैं तो पूरी दीन दुनिया भूल जाइए करिए, समझ गए ना? पूरी दीन दुनिया भूल जाइए आप, ठीक है? चलिए अब देखो, मैं फिर से बोलने जा रहा हूं, मेरे एक एक वर्ड को ध्यान देना। वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू। टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू प्रेजेंट माय 4 activities back to back. My English news is ... My amazing fact is ... My health tip is ... My thought ... और अगर आप टुडे बोल रहे हैं then you will say today's. Okay everyone, today's English news is. अभी भी किसी को बोलना है? Who is left?
सर प्लीज एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए सर, एक्चुअली नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था।
See, I'm not like teaching anything new. Very good afternoon to all of you. Today I would like to present my 4 activities back to back. That's it. Chalo. Yes, who is there in the picture? Shalini Singh, present your 4 activities. नहीं करना है
Sorry sir, I haven't prepared my 4 activities right now.
Okay, no problem, but get into this habit. You are not a kid. You are not a small kid that you need to practice anything about thought or health tip. It's very easy. Thoughts and health tip अपने दिमाग में तुरंत बना लीजिए। खैर कोई बात नहीं, अब हम लोग इंटरव्यू की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। Today's main activity is इंटरव्यू। अब मेरे बच्चों इसको बोलना सीखिए। सबसे पहली बात तो इंटरव्यू को, इसको बोलना कैसे है ये देखिए। ये टी हटा दो, ई हटा दो और आर को आ बनाना है। अब बोलो सब लोग, ये बोलना है आपको।
Interview.
Very nice. Interview. Excellent. Thank you. So this is the first pronunciation that I am teaching you for the day. Interview is the correct pronunciation. Now next. Today I would be teaching you how to reply to the questions if raised online. So who wants to face my interview? Who wants to face it?
I would like to.
So I would like to face interview.
Okay, wait. Vibhav, I'll start with Vibhav. Vibhav, come on, turn on your video.
Okay, sir.
Turn on your video. Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
Okay. In the meanwhile, बाकी लोग स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे क्या मैं सिखा रहा हूं, तब तक वीडियो भी चलता रहेगा. This is called digital classes. Okay, Vibhav. So my first question to you is that what are you doing these days?
Sir, I am preparing for CTET and I want to crack it as fast as.
Okay, what is the full form of CTET?
Central Teaching Eligibility Test.
Are you sure that T stands for teaching?
Teacher.
Are you sure that T stands for teacher?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. But do correct your facts and figures and do check it. Okay. So my next question is, what are your major subjects and why have you selected it as your major subject?
Yes, sir. Now I am in BLED. I mean to I am pursuing to graduation, and I have subject psychology, management of school, how to teach, and sociology. That's it.
What is the father doing these days?
My father is a teacher in inter college.
And can you please tell me your mother's name and her occupation?
My mother's name is Mrs. Sanjay Tiwari, and he's a homemaker.
Can you please repeat this sentence?
She is a,
Okay.
my mother is a homemaker, and she is.
Fine,
Sorry, my
fine.
mother's name is
Okay,
Sanjay
it's
Tiwari.
okay.
She is a
It's okay.
homemaker.
It's
Yeah,
okay. No problem. No need to panic. Now see this video that I have played. It shows three things. It shows three things: hobbies,
Yes, sir.
strengths, and weaknesses. Tell me one of your hobbies, strengths, and weaknesses.
If I talk about my hobbies, I can't use I think about my hobbies is visiting mountain areas, and my strength is my patience, and my weakness is I am too emotional.
Thank you so much. It was very good talking to you. Next candidate.
Hello, sir.
Okay. What's turn on your video, and your background should be very clear.
Sir, actually, I cannot turn on my video.
Okay, no problem. What is your full name?
My full name is Balwinder Singh Kohli.
And your father's name?
My father's name is Davendra Singh Kohli.
Where do you reside in the city of Lucknow?
I reside in area in Lucknow, which is known as Chandanagar.
Okay. Can you please tell me two special things about the city Lucknow? और बाकी लोग जो भी क्लास में हैं, जितने भी मैं क्वेश्चंस बता रहा हूं, समझ रहे हैं? केवल कम्मल के अंदर क्लास करने की जगह कॉपी निकाल के वो क्वेश्चन लिखिए. समझ गए? एक अकेले आप नहीं है जिसको ठंड लग रही है.
The two things which is famous about Lucknow is it is known as city of Nawabs, and whereas moreover the place Tunde Kababi is whereas more famous than any restaurant in Lucknow.
So Mr. Balwinder, what do you want to become in life?
Actually, sir, I want to become a businessman like my father.
What is the difference between business and a job?
Sir, business give you a freedom of time, whereas I think job gives you a limited time of working in which you have to work it, and in business I do not have to work under anyone. I'm on my own. The profit and losses are to be
Okay. Fine. Whenever whenever you're facing an interview, so what you got to do is that if you get trapped and if you fumble anywhere, so in order to cover, अब मैं हिंदी में भी बता दूं क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे हिंदी में भी समझ जाएंगे कि अगर आप इंटरव्यू कभी भी दे रहे हैं और अगर आप फंस गए तो जबरदस्ती उस सेंटेंस को भरने के लिए बेकार की बात मत करना. जैसे अभी देखना, आप जैसे एक सेंटेंस आपने बोला वेयर द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस और वहां अटक गए. वेयर द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस और वहां अटक गए. अब देखना, हाँ, मैं कैसे, मान लो मैं बलविंदर हूं और मैं अटक जाऊंगा और मैं कैसे तुरंत दूसरे सेंटेंस पे आ जाऊंगा. ठीक है? सो सर, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बिजनेस एंड जॉब इज दैट इन अ बिजनेस द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, देखो मैं अटका यहां, द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, business will never restrict you, sir. You are yourself an owner. That's it. तो ये इस तरीके से जब भी आप किसी सेंटेंस में अटक रहे हैं तो दूसरे सेंटेंस में तुरंत आ जाइए. Okay, Balwinder, thank you so much. It was good talking to you. Next.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please raise.
Sir, would I speak झेलने को in English? Beard.
No. This is the correct word.
Porn. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Good question. Very good question related to verbs. And now I'm inviting a student, and you will learn from him. So don't take it at your ego. He would be presenting his answers in front of you. Yes, Arijit. Come on, come online.
Hello, sir.
Very, very good afternoon, Mr. Arijit.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is the English meaning of your first name?
So my first name,
Yes.
I don't know it correctly, but I think the one who cannot be defeated.
Excellent. So, Arijit, what are you doing these days?
Sir, I'm pursuing my graduation and preparing for some jobs, government jobs.
Okay, okay. So, which government job are you targeting?
Sir, right now I'm targeting the exam of Lekpal, which is, I think so, in March or April. That is my goal right now.
Why do you want a government job and not a private job?
Sir, in my family, everybody is doing government jobs. Even my father, my grandfather, all are into government sectors, and all were into the government sectors. So I also want to go, and my interest is also there. That is why, sir.
Okay, excellent. You said that everyone is into government job. So this is the
Yes,
reason.
sir.
Okay, okay. How many siblings do you have?
So one elder sibling.
Is she into or is he into a government job?
No, sir. She has pursued her pharmacy course, and she is also preparing for government job. My elder
Oh,
sister.
okay. What is one disadvantage of a government job?
So one disadvantage is, I think, firstly, there were no disadvantages in the government job, but these days in this new government, the new norms are all giving disadvantages to the government jobs. So, sir, job security is not there right now. You can be suspended anytime for not doing work or any other options. Also, they are giving VRSs these days. So I
So that
think job
is
security.
so, Mr.
Not-
Arijit, I did not expect such a reply. You said that they will suspend you for not doing the job.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
I want to explain this point, sir.
Okay.
Not doing work, that is the case because these days we are seeing that all of the jobs are facing salary issues and they are doing all those andolans everywhere. So they are themselves not being allowed to do the work. So, sir, how they will get the salaries and all? That is the problem. And government is not looking into the picture.
Thank you so much. It was very good talking to you. Sheetal ma'am, audio unmute kariye.
Yes, sir.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
May I know your full name?
Yeah, my name is Sheetal Srivastava.
Okay. Your father's name?
My father name is Daljit Singh Srivastava. Daljit Singh.
Mr. Okay. You can add Mr. Whenever you, yes. Whenever you take your husband's name or father's name. Ma'am, what is your marital status? इसका मतलब होता है single, married, unmarried इस तरीके से. What is your marital status?
I am married.
Okay. So, may I know your husband's name?
Yeah, my husband name is Shailen Srivastava.
इसको ऐसे बोलिए मैम, ये देखिए apostrophe s. आपको स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है? बोलिएगा husbands.
जी.
ये ज सुनाई देना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत. बोलिए.
My husband's name is Mr. Shailen Srivastava.
Very good. And what is he doing these days? Okay, no problem.
So short में
हाँ हाँ, short में मतलब क्या short में समझा नहीं मतलब.
Yes, he is working in pharma line.
The pharmaceuticals, very good. उसको बोलते हैं pharmaceuticals. Yes. Okay. And ma'am, what are you doing these days?
So I am a spiritual life coach, crystal healer, tarot card reader, numerologist.
So you are a numerologist. Can you please tell me the spelling of numerologist? I'll write it over here.
लिखूं मैं?
No, you cannot write on the screen. I have not allowed you. You tell me, I'll write it for you. Tell me, alphabet wise. Numerologist.
NUMEROLOGIST.
Okay, fine. So what does a numerologist do? What does he do?
Date of birth according prediction.
Very good. Please clap for ma'am. Very nice. This is called try and try until you succeed. देखिए, मतलब ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैम ने कहा डेट ऑफ बर्थ, फिर मैम ने कहा प्रिडिक्ट. समझ गए? तो मतलब सेंटेंस भले मैम नहीं बना पाई, लेकिन इन्होंने इंग्लिश के तीनों वर्ड्स बोल दिए. कुछ तीसरा वर्ड बोला था, मैं भूल गया. डेट ऑफ बर्थ, प्रिडिक्ट और एक और चीज बोला.
Solutions.
अरे नहीं, अब आपने वर्ड बदल दिया. कोई बात नहीं. एक्सीलेंट. नाउ मैम आई हेल्प यू इन फ्रेमिंग. या थोड़ा मूवमेंट कम रखिए, वरना आपकी तरफ से आवाज आएगी. एकदम स्टिल बैठिए. देखिए जैसे मेरी तरफ से आवाज नहीं आ रही होगी कुछ भी. क्यों? क्योंकि देखिए मैं ऐसे बैठा हूं जैसे किसी ने मुझे रोबोट बना दिया है. हाँ, अब सुनना. आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू फ्रेम दिस सेंटेंस. अ न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट. बोलिए मेरे साथ. अ न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट
A numerologist
predicts what will happen with the person in the future. Not exactly. ना, ये वर्ड बोलिए जरा, फिर से बोलिए इसको.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll teach you. Okay, not exactly, but appropriately.
Not exactly, but appropriately.
Very nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Audio mute कर लीजिए. मैं दूसरे candidate. Very good. Next candidate.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Keep it up. नहीं देना है किसी को भी, कोई बात नहीं.
Yes, sir. Please take my interview.
What's your full name?
My full name is Mukesh Sharma, sir.
When and where were you born?
I was born and brought up in Bihar, sir.
So what are you doing in the state Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, in Lucknow, I am preparing for MIT entrance examination.
What is the full form of MIT?
Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
Okay. Can
Yes,
you please describe your educational qualifications?
So my higher education qualification is 12th pass from PCM background. Yes, sir.
Why did you select science as your major stream?
Because I have to do research in physics. That's why I selected PCM.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself a physics researcher in MIT after 5 years.
Your father's name and his occupation. Priyanka, ready रहिए आप इसके बाद.
My father's name is Mr. Ravindra Sharma and he is currently working in Dubai.
Thank you so much. Next.
Thank you, sir.
May I, sir?
आर्यन को ट्राई करना है. अच्छा रुको जरा, प्रियंका का मैं इंटरव्यू ले लूं जल्दी से. यस प्रियंका. I think so she's not active. हाँ, she's there. चलो प्रियंका, what's your full name?
So Priyanka Gautam.
What is the English meaning of your name Priyanka?
Sir, I don't know clearly.
No problem. And what are you doing these days?
Sir, these days I prepare for government jobs.
अब ये जो तुमने टेंसेस में गलती करी है, ठीक है, अभी मैं अभी मैं आप लोगों को एक लिंक भेजूंगा, समझ गए? सो उस लिंक को आप लोग सेव कर लीजिए उस पे मैं टेंसेस पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ यूट्यूब लाइव, तो टेंसेस पढ़िए तब जाके इन सेंटेंसेस पे गलती नहीं होगी। ओके प्रियंका, टेल मी वन ऑफ योर हॉबीज, स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस।
Sir, my hobby is sir. Sir, I like to travel.
Okay, good. Okay, someone is trying to help you. Please ask him or her to shut up. And what is your strength? Okay, chalo, no problem, no problem. And attend my class in a very disciplined manner, mind it, before I burst out my anger. Yes, Aryan, come into the picture.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aryan, what is the full name?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Aryan Mishra.
Your father's name?
Sir, my father's name is Mr. Raghavendra Mishra.
What is he doing these days?
Sir, right now my father has an auto business. Okay.
What is your mother's name?
Sir, my mother's name is Mrs. Vivek Purnima Mishra, and she is a housewife.
What are you doing these days?
Sir, right now I am pursuing a BCom from National PG College, and side by side I am preparing for bank and insurance exams.
What do you want to become in life?
Sir, in life, actually, sir, I have no limit of my success. First of all, I want to get a job of a bank PO, right? Whether it may be in SBI or any of the banks.
Okay, why have you?
And thereafter, I would
Okay.
like to gain success.
Okay. Why have you selected bank as your career? Why only bank?
Sir, I selected bank as my career option because there are many benefits which I would be getting in the future. Like if I have to take, if I have to take a loan for my future studies, right? If I pursue MBA from IIM, right? After leaving this job, so I would be getting a financial benefit, sir. So that is why I chose to select this as a career option, sir.
Banks come under central government or state government?
Sir, banks come under central government, sir.
Thank you so much.
These are public sector undertakings, sir.
Very nice, very good, very good knowledge also.
Yes, sir. 51% of the shareholding is of government, central government, sir.
Very good. Interview में जब
Yes,
अपनी
sir.
तरफ से कुछ पूछा जाए, so थोड़ा देखा करो कि and be a good listener first of all. Now, in case if the interviewer
Okay,
starts, हाँ, जब बोलने लगते हैं, खैर चलिए बेटा,